Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your KuCoin account permanently. First, ensure your account balance is completely zero. You must withdraw all remaining funds and assets from your KuCoin wallet. Also, make sure to cancel any open orders or pending transactions before proceeding with the deletion request. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Once your account is prepared, log into your KuCoin app or website. Locate your profile icon and access the Account Settings menu. From there, you will find the Security section. Within the Security settings, look for and select the Delete Account option. This is the direct path to initiate the permanent closure of your account. After selecting Delete Account, you will be prompted to review important information and terms. It is vital to read these carefully. You will then need to provide verification details, such as your trading password, email verification code, and a two-factor authentication code, if applicable. Confirm your understanding and acceptance of the consequences to proceed with the deletion. It's important to understand that KuCoin account deletion is permanent and irreversible. Once completed, you will lose access to all services, and your account cannot be recovered. All your funds, transaction history, and personal information will be permanently removed. Furthermore, the email and phone number linked to your deleted account cannot be used to register a new KuCoin account in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.